In this video, we are going to learn about how to install the XAMPP server on the Windows machine. This XAMPP server includes like MySQL, Apache, MariaDB, like this. So come to the browser, type download and install XAMPP on the Windows tab. Okay, so click on the first link over here. Select the latest version. Latest version is 8.2.12. So download it. Click on download it. Okay, your download will start automatically. If does not, then click here. So let us wait for a few minutes. It is started. Now it is downloaded. Now double click on it. Click on yes button. It will launch the XAMPP server. Just wait for a second. Now it is launching. Click on yes. Click on next. So there are some application server like MySQL, FileZilla, FTP server, Mercury mail server, Tomcat, and like phpMyAdmin and web analyzer, XAMPP. So these will be installed. So click on next. This is the location for the XAMPP server where it will be installed. So this is the location. Click on next. Click on next, then next. It is now being installed. Installing, unpacking files. So it will download the XAMPP from the server, like whatever the zip will come, and it will unpack into the respective C drive directory where we have selected for the installation. It will take few minutes, around 1 to 2 minutes. Let us wait for it. Now it is installed. Click on allow access. It is just creating the uninstaller so that we can uninstall the application. It is installed. So do you want to start the control panel? Click on finish. It will start the control panel. Seems like antivirus is running. Okay, so it is started now. It is automatically started because we have checked the box. Okay, so here one issue is coming. What is it coming? The port 3306 is already in use by unable to open process. So that means I have already installed the MySQL server separately. So that's why it is not being starting. We will do it. If you have not installed the MySQL server, then it will start automatically. So Apache is started. So I am trying to start the MySQL, but it is not starting because of the port is already being consumed. Okay, so that's why it is happening. So now what we have to do, we have to first of all stop this service for MySQL. So I have typed in the command services.msc. okay, so here I have to search for MySQL. Okay, MySQL, this is okay. So this is running. So now stop it. So MySQL is stopped now. Okay, so the status is stopped. So that's why here I am seeing the start button. Okay, now we will try close this. Now we will try for starting the MySQL. So now this MySQL will be start. So attempting to start the status change detected running. So that is why the MySQL server is now running on 3306. If you don't have MySQL installed, then it will automatically will be started. There will no issue will come. Okay, so you don't need to stop the service. So now check the running this XAMPP. So what is the port? Port 80. Okay, so now come to the browser, open the port, localhost. So this is the default the default directory for the XAMPP server. Okay, so it is open now. If you will see in the file explorer, so here we have to come C drive, XAMPP, and this is the std doc. So this is the folder where this index.php is being served. Okay, so this file is being served. So here whatever you will paste over here, it will launch. Okay, it will launch whatever you will paste over here. Okay, so this is the default, so I will show you. So let me show just over here. So this is the dashboard that is coming. This is the URI. Location is URI dashboard. So this is the application.html. I'm just showing to modify it so that you can understand. This is the dash. So this is open, so CSS is not coming, so that is why if you will see this page over here, so it is XAMPP Apache MariaDB plus PHP plus Perl. This is coming over here. So if you will modify anything in this index, then it will be reflect where at this location. If whatever you will deploy, it will reflect over here. So now open this in the editor, like I'm opening the Sublime text. Now we will change the title over. So here I modified hello, welcome to XAMPP. Now I am saving it. So now it is saved, and now refresh it. So what title have been changed? Hello, welcome to XAMPP. This has been changed. It is working. So whatever you will deploy your application, whatever the HTML, CSS, whatever you want, you can change over here inside the std doc. It will pick the index.php, and in the index.php we have specified the dashboard. The dashboard, what is the dashboard? Dashboard is entering the again index.html. Okay, so that is why it is now running, and this is the configuration, or this is the layout of the PHP application. Okay, so inside the XAMPP we have the folder std doc. Inside it, whatever the folder we will create, it will be treated as an application. Okay, so I hope you enjoy this video. If you like the video, then please like and do subscribe to my channel for the latest update. Thanks for your time. See you in the next video.